Hey guys, I've decided that for the month of May I'll be focusing on flower tutorials, so stay tuned for those in the coming weeks. Today I'm going to show you how to create a mini wall hanging and then how to attach these flowers to it. If you're interested in the tutorial for these flowers, please see the description for a link. This wall hanging measures 19 inches long and the driftwood is 10 inches across. The square knot pattern itself, not including the fringe, is 10 inches long by 4 inches wide. Let's get started. Cut 8 pieces of 4mm rope, each piece is 7 feet long. Fold each piece in half and attach each to your driftwood using a lark's head knot. We are going to make a flat surface that we can use to attach our flowers to later on. To do this, we will tie alternating rows of square knots. Tie 4 square knots across your work. Tie 3 square knots across your work. Repeat this pattern until you've tied 23 rows of square knots total. To ensure your work doesn't pinch in, leave the appropriate amount of space in between your rows of 4 square knots. Here's what it should look like once finished. Use a needle and thread to attach your flowers to the square knot section. If you want to secure down the petals, you can, but I want mine to pop out from the back, so I'm just going to secure the flower to the square knot section in 2 spots, at the top of the ring in the middle of the stem. Thread your needle above and below the ring a couple of times and then tie a double knot with the thread at the back of your work and cut off the excess thread. The one end of the thread is at the front of my work. I should have started at the back of my work but didn't realize it at the time, so I'll just thread this end through to the back and then tie a double knot with the 2 ends. Repeat that process to attach the stem, going above then under a piece of string to secure the stem in place. You could also secure the stem again at the bottom if you'd like. Repeat to attach your second flower. Cut the ends and untwist them if you'd like. I cut the ends about 1 foot long. That's it. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be useful for others, please feel free to share it. I love to see your work, but sometimes I can miss it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials or if you're using some of my supplies so I can see your work. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thank you.